was a normal day at Big Jeff Audio. Until this happened.
Hey, Jeff was done up there on the Yukon.
¿Cómo?
Yeah.
Hey, it's me, Mr. Ben, and I told you I was gonna take over. Jeff just sent me on a mission. He said, go check out what's going on with the Yukon. You know, HairTricks 2.0, loaded with B2 audio and all kinds of good stuff. So here we go. Let's go to XTREME Audio and Performance and check it out. So here we are at XTREME Car Audio, where they are doing the Yukon, and you know, we're gonna go see what's happening, what's going on, what is all the fuss about the Yukon version 2.0, the B2 Audio Edition. This is the return of B2 Audio to the United States, and we are hooking it up once again for you to see and have some maximum hair tricks and all that good stuff. But let's just walk inside. So let me just give you a little walk around the Yukon version 2.0, HairTricks 2.0, loaded with B2 audio, DS18, Marts Digital, and so much more. Mechman Alternators, excess power batteries and cells. This is gonna be insane. There are the door panels. You can see it's gonna have 12 6.5s B2 audio. Inside is all gutted out. Everything is gonna be brand new. We're still keeping the DS18s in there, but we're gonna be decking this out with a whole bunch of B2 audio speakers and subwoofers, and the box is being built brand new. And as you can see, we took out all those 4518 or 4515s. I correct myself. We took them all out. And we're gonna be putting some B2 audio speakers. Here you go. As you can see, we're gonna keep the Marts Digital amps on it because they never failed. They played throughout all the shows and everything else. So we're gonna be installing here some Rage 6Ps from B2 Audio. It's gonna be built for maximum hair tricks. So it's gonna get a brand new box and everything. And of course, you are gonna be able to see the progress here. We will be documenting everything as it happens, and as long as they let us come in, we will be checking it out. So take a good look. Now it looks way, way higher than it was previously because it has all that weight came off of it. But here you go. Stay tuned for more information, more details, and more news about the Yukon 2.0, the HairTricks, not for $1 anymore. It's version 2.0. So you just saw it. It's getting there. It's a work in progress. They don't know what subwoofers are gonna be going in, but it's gonna be B2 audio. The doors, B2 audio, DS18, Marts Digital, excess power, and everything else. So just keep in touch, keep tuned, and I will be bringing you more details about this build. But you have to give it a lot of likes, so Jeff will let me come and do it again. Remember, my English is no bueno, así que si no me entendiste, brega con esa. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.